Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Straight Talk Wireless. Straight Talk Wireless is a budget phone service that gets attention because of its low prices. It offers simple plans, no contracts, and access to big networks like Verizon, so at first it looks like a smart way to save money. The setup is easy. You install the SIM, activate it, and you're ready to go. For basic calling and texting, it usually works fine. But the main issue comes with the data. The internet speed can drop a lot during the day. One moment it's normal, and then it suddenly becomes very slow. Even simple things like loading a page or watching a short video can take longer than expected. Coverage can also change from place to place, which makes it less reliable. Before you buy it, think carefully. Straight Talk may look cheap, but the slow data and random signal drops can make it feel like you didn't really save anything. If you only need your phone for basic use, it might work. But if you want smooth and fast internet, this service can feel like a waste of money. Now let's see how users on Trustpilot feel about their experience with Straight Talk Wireless. Most reviewers were disappointed with their experience. A lot of people say the customer service is hard to deal with. They mention unhelpful support, long wait times, and trouble getting anything fixed. The service itself also gets a lot of complaints. Many users say that they aren't satisfied with the network performance, the data speed, or how often the service drops. Overall, most comments show frustration instead of trust. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it offers a simple plug-and-play setup, comes at a low cost with no contracts, and provide decent speeds for basic streaming and browsing. On the downside, speeds depend heavily on signal strength. Performance may slow after high data usage, and customer support can be unreliable. Overall, Straight Talk is simple and affordable, but not the best choice for anyone who depends on fast, stable data. It's okay for light use, but not great for everyday heavy use. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.